bid it a bit 5075 at 2075, sir. At 2075, bid it a bit 2075, bid it a bit 75, sold him 2050. Number 78, take a thinking these heifers were going to walk in a little cheaper this year, but that is not the case. Not with the cattle market we are in and we're walking into next year. They're carrying some very, very expensive calves in there. The dry, you're right, thanks. The dry heifers are 28, 29, 3,000, depending on their weight. Who wants to buy them at 35, 3,000, 31, at 32, 32 and 33, at 33 and 34, at 4 down to bid 5, at 5 down 6, at 37, at 6 down to bid 700, down bid at 36 and 7, at 3600, down bid at bid 700, down bid at bid 7, down to bid 7. Boys, consider cattle like that reasonable. I'm at 36 and a half, at 36.50, at 37 to bid 36 half, and half, there we go, 36 and a half, half bid, now 37, at 700, no, I bid it at bid 7, I'm at 36.50, they're not going to bid 7, not going to bid 7 and a half, and now 3,800, at 3,800, no, I bid half, at 8.5 bid it, going to be not going to bid 38.50, at 38, no, there's a little room left here, guys, 38 and a quarter, do you want to sneak in, at 38 and 25, at 38 down to a quarter, I'm going to bid 38 and 25, bid here and a quarter, going to bid 38 and 25, 38 and a quarter. Sold $3,800 at 33 and a quarter, at 33 and a quarter, bid it at 33 and a quarter, going to bid 33, don't even quarter half, at 33.50 sure Corey, at 33 and 50 now 75, at 33.75 bid it at 34, at 3400 don't bid it at 4, going to bid 400, don't bid it at 4, sold it 33.75. They're bred to Black Angus bulls, as you see. The bulls went in June the 20th, come out August the 20th. Once again, a 2-month breeding season, 60 days, the way we like it. They were preg checked at home, and we just went through that by Dr. Megan Williams. Hey, nice cattle, 1,057. There's some, oh, actually they're all broccos. I thought I saw Baldy, but no, she's got some black eyes. We're all Baldy, black broccoli cattle here from Meldur. All right, sell away. What's that? That's the chrome, yep. Tell you, and as we get deeper into the Angus program, you don't see as many of these broccos and Baldies anymore. And I like them, boys. You want to take them home and go crossbreeding with them, you can sure do it. How many dollars on them? What would I have here? 3,500. At 3,500, don't bid it a bit 35, bid it a bit 5, bid it a bit. Excited, but don't worry. Connor McDavid, Leon Draisaitl will get us on track. See, she's coming down now.
Yeah, what about Corey? What about Corey Perry?
2,500. At 2,500, bid it a bit 2,500. I'm going to bid 22, 2,000. At 2,000, I'm bid it a bit $2,000. Boys, 1,800. At 1,800, don't bid it a bit 1,800. Don't bid it a bit 1, bid it a bit now 1,700. Don't bid it a bit 1, bid it a bit. They weigh 16. Oh wait, 17's bid. Now 1,800. I'm at 17 half. That's 1,750. Bid it a bit half and quarter. Anybody else? Quarter, half. That's 17, quarter, half. Bid it a bit half. Bid it. Fred, 75. At now 1,800. At 1,800. Bid it at 18 a quarter. At 18 half, quarter, 18.
2,160.
Quarter and a half at 18. 75. At 1,900. Don't bid it at big cows. Big cows.
That's at 135.
The next sale isn't until Wednesday.
At 19,
135.
They're big. 19 a quarter. At 19,
Oh yeah. But they might not bring that. That's what I'm guessing.
50. At quarter, not a bit half. I got 1950. 1975. Now 2,000. At $2,000 here. 2,000 and a quarter. A quarter and a half. At 2,050.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
$2,050 bid it at 50.75. At 2,075, sir. At 2,075 bid it at 2,075 bid it at 75. Sold him 2,050. Number 78. Take a That's 1,700, no, a bit of it, 1,600. That's a gate. Yeah, let's just set her back.
She's gonna bring 2,000 on Wednesday.
Yeah, she's gonna bring 2,000 at the other sale. So I hate to sell her for less. Let's put her in pin 8.
Is that the last one?
Full settlement. Those of you who purchased to make a full settlement in the office. We'll have a regular sale again on Wednesday. That starts at 9:30, and we thank you.
This side, and we got cows coming on this side, and those guys stopped. They were following us. They get lazy. Once they see these cows come up to eat, they're gonna probably come running. So I don't got much time to explain, but just thinking about the people who have the thought of getting into ranching and what does it take. And I'll tell you what, in all reality, it takes a lot in here. Right now, you guys just saw there, I think there was 76 head, including bred heifers and bred cows. Here's the thing. Those last bunch of cattle, somebody was bringing them in because they caused the problem. And you could buy those cattle and get into the market for $2,000 a cow. The first year, you're break even. The thing is, with those cattle there, you might want to purchase like a disability insurance or something to that sort. And you saw how that cow went on that guy on the other side of the fence. I don't think it's going to be any different when he's in the pen with them. So working the cattle is a whole different aspect, and you need a facility. You need, I can't even get into all the details, the land, everything that you need to make it happen. But I've had it several times where people say, well, it's easy. You just get a cow, she has a calf, you sell the calf, easy money. The cost of feed. So now you go in and you feed in our country for 5 or 6 months, and we're looking at right now feeding per day 3 to 4 bales. And let's go on average, because we're giving them one really good expensive bale that bales were going, the expensive bales were going $325 a bale for the really good protein feed. And then we'd be giving them like a ditch hay bale, which we don't pay anything for the hay itself, but we sure pay for it. We have a whole nother hay bind, and we have a lot of breakdowns. So let's just chalk that up, that those bales end up costing us probably about $120. So right now we're already sitting at we'd be $440 for 2 of the bales. And then we give them a bale that would be maybe a little higher than a straw quality in a feeder, as much as they want to eat. And those bales we pay out at around $50 a bale. And then to haul it and all that into the factor and put it into the feeder, let's just tack that on to all of those 3 bales right now. And let's be a little bit generous. Let's say that we're at $600 a day just for the cows. That's not for the heifers or the bulls, that we're just for these cows. So $600 a day. You guys can do the math. We're doing 5 or 6 months, I said. So we got 600. 1 month is going to be $1,800 a month. $1,000 a month. Fair enough. Let's say we're feeding them at 5 months. So we're looking at, watch out, cows. We're looking at probably around $90,000 for the season. That's just to feed them. That's just the half a year, not even, that's done. That's 5 months. $90,000. So why do you do it? How does it even work? Well, we have a lot of other things into factor. This is a tough year and feed's expensive, so we pay for insurance. I used to pay disability insurance, which I don't carry anymore. I have a different theory in life, and things can still happen. And I don't buy those wild cows. All these girls are following real nice. And at the end of the day, we haven't paid ourselves a wage, but it's a lifestyle. We're living. We've got fuel in the tractor, we got food in the belly, we got a roof over our head. And that's why we do it. So if you're looking at getting into it to make a buck, I just would encourage you guys to think twice on that end.